Welcome back. So the idea of this playlist is I'm going to create some short, sharp videos to show you how to create different features you can refer back to. So from now on, we're really just going to live within this game scene.swift. It's where a lot of your code's going to be located and where you can refer back to in the future. So just remember that we live here, and this is where we're going to start to develop our application a little bit more. And hopefully you can reuse these sections. So first thing I'm going to do is to create a new sprite. So I'm going to first of all make a very simple geometric shape. It's just going to be a square. So I'm going to let the square equal sk sprite node, and then I can use the dot operator to define the size of that square. So I'm just going to make it 50 by 50 using the height and width. From there, I can also change the other properties, like the position where I'd like it to be located. So remember, it does use an Artesian plane, and I'm going to create this in the X 100 and Y 100, and then I can play with the color. And this is UI color, so I can use UI color.green, or I could just use .green as well, because it does infer that it's UI color. And the last thing you need to do, which often gets forgotten, is to add this new sprite to our scene. So we're going to add it to the SK node. So I need to add child and add that square. So now we have our sprite which has been created. We've defined the properties of that. And then from there we can load up our simulator. So remember, these videos are designed for you to refer back to. If any time you forget how you programmatically created a sprite, you can always refer back to this short video. So that's why I'm trying to keep them short and sharp. But here we have our sprite, our green sprite, and this is the first item we're going to do whenever we create our games.